How to link your bank to Monzo for easy transfers. Today, I'll guide you through the process of linking your bank account to Monzo so you can make faster and easier transfers. First, unlock your phone and launch the Monzo app from your home screen. Next, tap the Home tab. Select your account and go to Account Settings. Scroll down until you see the Link Accounts option and tap it to continue. From the list provided, select your bank and proceed to the secure login page. Log in to your bank's online portal and approve the connection to Monzo. This step ensures a secure link between accounts. Once approved, Monzo will display a confirmation message. Your bank is now linked and ready for transfer. Remember to keep your banking details secure, take advantage of link accounts for quicker transfers, and review permissions regularly to maintain security.